Strength of Heart is the re-released version of Gary Hughes' 1989 first album, Big Bad Wolf. Track listing. All songs, music and lyrics written by Gary Hughes. Some Kind of Evil 4:49. Only True Love Lasts Forever 3:43. Strength of Heart 4:43. Bringin' All of Your Love to Me 5:10. Big Bad Wolf 3:38. Helen's Eyes 4:55. Man Behind the Mask 3:33. Christine 4:27. Hammer Your Heart 3:04. Can't Get You Out of My Head 4:50. Photograph 5:31. Stay 4:23. Vigilante 4:58. Helen's Eyes. Reprise 3:36. Personnel: Gary Hughes, vocals, electric and acoustic guitars, fretless bass, preliminary drum programming. Simon Humphrey, fretted bass, drum and bass programming. Shirt: David Hewson, keyboards and synthesizers. IAK Kirkham, sax. Sandy McClelland, backing vocals. Additional keyboards, Howard Smith. Production: mixed and mastered at Woodland Studios. Produced by Simon Humphrey and David Hewson. Arrangements by Gary Hughes, Simon Humphrey and David Hewson. Mixing: Gary Hughes and Simon Humphrey. Except tracks 10 and 11. Mixing: Brad Anthony. Tracks 10 and 11. Engineering: Simon Humphrey. Additional engineering: Patrick Borden, Mark O'Donoghue, Simon Osborne, Danny Percard, Neil Ferguson.